Hey guys, so before I say anything, I just want to say I feel like I look so lopsided in this shirt. Like, I don't know why I'm like so lopsided. Like, I keep like recording this, doing my intro, and then I watch it and I'm like, I literally look like Hunchback of Notre Dame. Like, I just look so weird in this shirt. Like, I don't, maybe it's just me or it's the shirt, I don't know. Just thought I'd throw that out there. But for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first back to school video, and this is going to be a makeup tutorial. I have not done a makeup tutorial in seriously the longest time, so I was like, you know what? It's time that I do one. So this is going to be a really easy, natural look. Perfect for school, probably what I would wear to school. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe before you leave because I have so many back to school videos planned and you do not want to miss out. So you should subscribe. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on to the video. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my brows, and I actually did my brows before I even filmed the intro for this video, but I just want to go with something, you know, really natural, just make them look a little bit darker. I'm not a huge fan of like really dark, thick brows. I just like it to be really natural. So yeah, you know, all about that natural life. But I'm going to start out with my face, and I'm going to use the Smashbox Vids primerizer. This is perfect for my skin because I have super dry skin, and I feel like my skin hasn't been as dry lately. I've really been trying to keep up with my skincare, but I do have pretty dry skin, so this is really great because it's a primer and moisturizer in one. So it also keeps your makeup on all day. It's great. It's a little expensive. It's like 40 bucks, you know, it's a little pricey. It's definitely worth it. So I'm just gonna moisturize this onto my skin. Breaking out like crazy on my forehead. Like, I don't know why I've been breaking out so bad. Like, I just did a skincare video not that long ago saying, oh, you know, I never get pimples. Like, right after I filmed that video, I literally got like 5 pimples. But, you know, it's fine. It's probably just, you know, girly, hormone-y stuff. But, you know, it's just going through, you know, life, being a teen. So then I'm going to go in with the Sephora Bright Future Skin Tint, and this is honestly perfect if you don't wear foundation because it gives you just a little bit of coverage, and I don't know, it's really nice. I never wear foundation, so this is just perfect. I put a little bit on the back of my hand, like literally that much is all you need. Just take my sponge and just kind of dab it all over, just a little bit. I don't like to go for anything like too full coverage. Like, I'm just all about that natural life, as I've said multiple times, but I just love being natural. So then for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. I have not used this concealer in a bit, so I thought I'd use it today. And I'm pretty sure this concealer is honestly expired because you can actually look, like pro tip for you guys, you can actually look on your product or the packaging and it will have like a little, like, it almost looks like powder with like the cap being opened, and it'll say like 6 months, 7 months, something like that. Or not 7 months, 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, I don't know, something like that. And this thing says 6 months, and I'm pretty sure I've had this for like a year, but you know, it's fine, it's fine. A little bit on the nose, and then I'm gonna put quite a bit on my forehead because I have a lot of pimples up here, so we're just gonna go crazy. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of powder, and I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. This is the one in Dulce de Leche. And it's my little brush. And I'm just going to set my concealer. I never like to set my entire face because, you know, that dry skin life. But I just set my concealer, and that's it. Just a little bit underneath the eyes. So now I'm going to move on to eyes, and I'm going to use the Colourpop Element of Surprise Palette. I don't want to zoom guys in just a wee bit. Just a wee bit. I'm only going to use one shade in this palette. I'm not going for anything dramatic. This is super duper natural. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It's kind of like a mauve brown. I really love this just for in the crease. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this shade into my crease just to give my eye a little bit of color. Kind of got just a nice mauve brown. So then for mascara, I'm going to use all of the Physicians Formula Killer Curves, and I love this mascara so much. It just makes your lashes really nice and long and voluminous and just everything that you want in a mascara. So yeah, although lately my lashes, like, I have pretty nice long lashes, but I don't know, lately they've just been clumping together whenever I use mascara. I mean, it might just be the mascara, but I feel like it's like every single mascara, they just like clump together and it's not cute, but you know, we're just gonna hope that does not happen today. So now we are going going to go back with the face. I think I'm actually going to skip bronzer. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I honestly never even use bronzer anymore, so I'm just going to go straight to blush, I think. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild blush stick. This is in the shade Peach Bum, and there's a hero. Okay, it's not cute. This, okay. And I love this so much because it just kind of gives your, oh my gosh, okay. It just kind of gives your cheeks a really nice natural flush and a little bit of a glow, and it's just really nice and natural. Like I said, all about that natural life. So it's literally gonna look like I'm wearing like no makeup. Like, is this even a video? I don't know. So I actually changed my mind, and I think I am going to go in with some bronzer because I feel really weird not using bronzer in a makeup tutorial. So maybe for my own good I wouldn't use bronzer, but in a video, you know, so I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. It's really nice, smells good, you know, it's great. It's kind of one of the only bronzers I warm up the skin a bit. I'm probably gonna end up looking worse putting on bronzer, but it's fine. Now we have highlight, literally the most important thing of all, because, you know, you just gotta be glowing. So I'm gonna use the Colourpop. This is the Flexitarian Super Chalk Cheek Highlight. It's really intense, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Like, it is literally the most intense highlight I've ever seen in my life. So I'm literally just gonna pop on, like that's literally all you need, just a speck. A very nice natural glow today. So, you know, don't want to be blinding people at school, you know. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because we want our makeup to last all day at school. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of this on. Just a little bit. I know some people drench their face in it, but I just like to do a couple little spritz. So then to finish it off, I'm going to put on a little bit of lip balm because my lips are literally so crusty. Like, it's bad. Like, I feel like I have a hard time talking because my lips are so chapped. So I'm going to use a little of this Farmacy lip bloom. You can put on a lipstick, whatever you want to do, but I just personally never wear lipstick since I have Invisalign. It's not a very good combination. So I'm going to use a little of this lip balm. And it kind of gives your lips a little bit of a glossy look too, which makes it look like you have lip gloss on. So just a little bit of this on is really nice. Okay. So yeah, it just makes your lips, like, it's literally all in my fingernail. That is actually disgusting. Oh my gosh. My hands are so long, like, they don't even look good. Like, they look so bad because they're so long. That is it for this back to school makeup tutorial. This is the look right here. Really natural, perfect for school, probably what I wear to school. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!